Hey everyone! Welcome back to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable the ad blocker on Google Chrome using the latest method in 2025. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Now, tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Site Settings. Once you're in, scroll again and tap on Pop-ups and Redirects. Make sure this is turned off. Now go back and tap on Intrusive Ads. Turn this off as well. Next, scroll up and tap on All Sites. Here, you can manage permissions for individual websites. If you see any sites you don't want blocked or affected by ad settings, simply tap on them and clear data or reset permissions, or delete multiple sites if needed. Finally, go back again and open the Notifications tab under Site Settings. You can turn off notifications entirely or manage them per site. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Chrome's ad blocking and pop-up restrictions in the latest version. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Insightful Tutorials for more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.